Aloha there. Today's day 4. So, how was your Abhyanga self massage? Did you love it? Did you like that guided meditation? I'm also super curious about your response to the part about undigested emotions. Would you answer on our Facebook group? In line with our goals to learn about toxins, cleanse them, prevent toxins from entering in the first place, and tracking our toxins, today's lesson is a really great introduction and overview on the 7 categories of toxins. I also teach about how the channels of the body get clogged. Yeah, that's actually a thing. A case study about a woman who I helped to find and eliminate her toxins, which resulted in her lifelong headaches, allergies, asthma, and TMJ going away. And I talk about the definition of health because no education about toxins is complete without a foundation of knowing what true health actually is. What's your definition of health? In addition, another really sweet meditation that I made pre-serious cleanse, but it so speaks to this course that I just had to include it for you. Now that you've had a good foundation, it's time to assess your toxic burden. So I give you special access to my quiz called Assess Your Toxic Burden. In it, you get clear directions as to which of the categories you have been exposed to. You also get to take another detox bath tonight. And I've included a little bonus for you. It's called the food checklist. So you can go ahead and check off the ones that apply to you. As usual, everything that you need is below. Now, we're on day 4, so keep your commitment strong, enjoy your cleanse, and see you tomorrow. Aloha.